So this is my boss calling me, and I'm gonna answer him and tell him what's going on. No, just wait, hold, just hear me out. I'm on my way. It's just I'm not used to having this kind of weather in Texas. All right, it's usually 85 to 100 year round. You understand, boss? I'm on my way. Just I gotta dig my car out. I'm willing to die for this job. I will die for this job. You hear me? No, we're gonna earn this $10 an hour. How dare you? There we go. That $10 an hour. Here we go. We're gonna do it. Woo! $10 an hour. Don't worry, boss, I'm coming. Don't worry. I'll be there. Hold on. Give me a minute. Don't fire me. Don't wrap me up. I'm sorry. I'll be there. Oh, he's calling again. He's calling again.
He's calling again.
Who? No, trust me. Cars, it's looking good. That part's done. And now, okay, well, I got more work to do. I'll be there though. Here we go. Woo! No! Man, screw this job. Care about $10 an hour. Go do some DoorDash.